Hi, my name is Rafael Sanchez Espitia, and today with my team, Alfonso Cabrera, Jania Fonserrada, and Paula Nunez, we're going to present our key activity. First of all, what we did was to connect each cables with their respective colors in order for us to have order in our program. After that, we organized our components, which were a buzzer, an LCD, three buttons, a LED, and a potentiometer, which will be explained briefly.
So now we're going to begin explaining the code. The first thing that we did was included the LCDs in our libraries and made sure that the digital pins were mentioned so the screen works perfectly. Then we declared all of our buttons in 0, and for time, we declared here that it's equal to 2, so we could explain, but in reality, it will be 15 minutes. Lastly, we declared here that the buzzer and the pin button, which will be used to make the buzzer ring, are declared here, as you can see.
Now I'll explain the void setup. We first started by putting our LED off so we can start the program, and we verified all our buttons. Means that it will be 10, 9, and 8 that will receive the information for the next programs. Then in the LCD, we use two lines to put messages to the users of this application so they could choose their time, like we can see from line 22 to line 31. And finally, we programmed the LCD to show the range of times that you can choose. And the buzzer, we also put it at the end of this setup to sound and to be an output of information at the time of finishing the program.
Now, as you can see, the program is working, and I'm going to explain what happens then. As Alfonso explained, it's going to show some messages, and then it is going to enter the first loop. Now, if I press on the button number 1, which the option is 15 minutes, but for explanation purposes, it would be 2, then it's going to enter a different loop. As you can see, I press button number 1, and it shows that it's going to be 2 minutes. So now the green LED turns on, and there is 1 minute left. And what is going to happen here is after the 2 minutes are done, the buzzer will sound, and this will make sure that our time has passed. And the same thing is going to happen for button number 2 and button number 3, but with different information. And this is our program. Thank you.
We developed our app NutriClock with one simple purpose:
to make a difference in Mexico and its population.
To reduce obesity and diabetes cases nationwide.
Hoping that people will take the first step into a healthy lifestyle.